Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will get to know about the cluster-based segmentation, which we will be using in the next lecture. In cluster-based segmentation, we will be creating a cluster based on similar pixel values. In other words, it's a collection of similar elements. The entire image is broken down into segments by creating clusters of similar valued pixels. These are the commonly used cluster-based algorithms: k-means, hierarchical, and mean shift. Cluster-based segmentation is widely applied in the method of segmentation and AI. The cluster is represented by using the values from the centroid. The classification is done based on the similarity with the cluster centroid. The clusters are formed by using any one of the algorithms of hierarchical clustering, k-means clustering, and mean shift, that is density estimation. As an output, if you see, there are four types of clustering: mainly hierarchical, dendrogram, k-means, and clustering in general. The corresponding graphs are represented below the outcomes for the clusters. Now, let us have a look into what the working principle is of k-means clustering. It employs a partial clustering and is performed on a large data set. We have to set a selection of optimum number of clusters. Now, after determining the number of clusters, we calculate the centroid for each of these clusters. Next, we will have to classify each pattern to the closest centroid. After this, we will have to recompute the centroid and then cluster the neighborhood pixels close to the centroid. These steps are repeated until a convergence is met. The convergence parameter is no reassignment of any pattern from one to the other. Finally, we are going to be minimizing the squared error. So now that we know what's the working principle of k-means clustering, let us now understand what are the pros and cons of the k-means. It is easy to implement. The time complexity of the program is very less. This process yields a better outcome than the hierarchical clustering. But we will not get rich visualization of the cluster details, and the step of selecting the clusters plays a vital role in k-means clustering. Thank you. See you guys in the next lecture.